Welcome to this lesson. In this lesson, I'm going to show you how you can download high quality small videos for free. I know you are learning creating thumbnail, but you need this video. Whenever you need, you can utilize this video in your own video. So let us see from where we can download those high quality videos. So the website name is Mixkit, Mixkit. So you can see here Mixkit, awesome free assets for your next video projects. So whatever video you are creating, you can utilize these small videos. So you can see here video, music, sound effects, templates, whatever you want, you can just download. So take the example of anything. Take example of mobile, okay? See, these are the video. Just play it, or whatever you want to do, you just go and play it. Okay, first of all you play it. Okay, and if you want to download, you just go ahead and download through free full HD video. Okay, you are getting your video on your desktop. Okay, take the example of anything. Thanksgiving. See, you can download this video on your desktop. So how you can download? If you click here, you have to purchase from Envanto, but here is the option download low resolution for free. So this video is also good. Okay, click here. Okay, you are getting the video here. Okay, and in this way, whatever like vertical, nature, sky, flower, suppose you want to use this video in your own video, just go ahead full HD and download it. Okay, so this website I have shared just for information purpose, and I know these things you can use in your video. Animals, food, transport. Take the example of airplane. You can use it here. This video, water plane, anything you want, you just come and search. Okay, green screen, drone. Suppose you want to use this video, just go ahead and use it. Okay, so in this way you can use this video. Go ahead and check it, and meet you in the next video. For now, bye bye.